What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B. Come back to you guys with a brand new video. I actually just got off work. It's Tuesday, April 3rd. I'm actually setting a goal for myself right now. I want to try and lose 15 pounds by April 28th or before my birthday, because that's when I have a lot of stuff going on, a lot of parties and events. So right now I'm at 171 and I'm trying to get down to 155 in 3.5 weeks. I'm on my way right now to go pick up this meal prep that I'm going through with this company, and I'm gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna see if theirs works. I'm gonna really try and stay committed to this diet. I'm gonna not drink beer. I'm not gonna drink soda or anything sweet like that. And yeah, I'm gonna try to stay committed to this. So let's get it. Alright, so I just got home. For those who want to see the meal prep, what's in it, I didn't see it yet either. So I bought 4. I think one is steak, 2 chickens, and 1 fish. So this is the steak right here. It looks good. So that's the steak. I'm probably gonna eat that one right now. So I'm doing 2 meals a day. So I'm gonna go and pick up 4 meals every 2 days. This is the chicken right here. Chicken looks pretty good. Damn, these look pretty good. Chicken joint looks tight. And this fish is pretty good too. That's tight. For all of this, I actually only spent, well, I tipped them because I appreciate what they're doing. So it came out to, without the tip, it came out to $30. So that $30 for 2 days worth of food, that's not actually bad. I actually spend more in a day eating. I'm pretty excited because this food looks good, smells good. Y'all don't even know. So I'm gonna eat the steak one right now, and I'm gonna eat one of the chicken soup for tonight for dinner. What's going on YouTube? Good morning. Sorry I haven't been filming so much. It's been like really busy at work, and I haven't really gotten to go out and do anything too exciting. Right now I'm on my way to I'm picking up my niece. She's gonna come with me to do my oil change, and I'll show you guys some of the cars that they got there. So I'll show you the car that I want to get, like my dream car that hopefully one day I can get. And I'm gonna take her out for some breakfast, lunch, and I'm gonna take her out shopping, whatever she wants to get. I've been so busy. I realized that I haven't really been spending a lot of time with my family. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna just take her out and just spend time with her. It's been a really long time since I hung out with her. This is like my, I don't want to say my favorite because that's not right, but I'm really close to my niece. She's, I don't even know how old she is now, but I'm gonna vlog when I'm with her again. So I'm gonna go pick her up right now. I get at y'all. Say hi. We're at Velocity right now. I just dropped off my car. Look at these cars. Woo! Back to back. They're kind of dirty. Look. Yeah.
This is a ripoff.
What are you crazy? Like, if we ever had these kind of cars, oh my. My car is taking 2 to 3 hours, so we're riding an Uber for the first time. Meet at the pickup point. Yeah, no, it's okay. I should have chose a better spot. This is my first time riding Uber. You do this all the time?
Yes. You go to the Anamona.
Yeah. Yep.
The farm.
Yeah. Yep, that's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have cash on you, Terry? So I can tip you? Do you have change for a 20?
But I think that you can put on the...
Oh, do I put it after or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can put on. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem. Alright. Thank you so much, Terry. I appreciate it. I'll tip you on the card. Thank you. Bye. That was a cool Uber experience. We're gonna Uber back.
This is why I don't watch this channel.
This view we have. We have 2-3 hours to kill, so we're just making the best of it.
Show the pool.
No, there isn't. Oh, there is the lady there. Our food's here. I got the mushroom. She got the what is that called? Traditional breakfast.
Yeah. This is pretty bomb. What about?
We look like tourists.
Hi.
You're so weird.
Ride experience.
Oh shit. Oh, this actually feels real. Oh my god. Okay, it's not that bad. That's one, baby. That's 5 too. I'm the winner. Where we Hercules?
Get across the walkway.
There you go. What's shooting at the guy? You're gonna lose health. What is that?
I'm in love with someone, but I'm not sure. She can love someone back the way they love
That's the goal when you take a.
I don't think so.
That's the goal when you take out your knees. You feel like you fall asleep.
If you gotta go.
Okay, say bye to my vlog before you go. Alright, Z, be good, okay? Yeah, don't forget anything. Okay, be good. I'll see you. She always slams the door like she's mad. Jesus Christ. Even when we got off the Uber, she was like slamming doors. And if you're wondering why I don't have my rubber bands, that shit snapped when I was eating. So I gotta put that on once they get home. But yeah. So that was pretty much all we did. We just went to the mall. We Ubered it back. I didn't record that because I didn't think it would be that exciting, but it was cool. Uber drivers gotta turn on the AC a little bit though. Both times we rode it today, it was really hot. And now I'm just gonna go home and I'm actually gonna maybe relax at home for like an hour or two. I gotta go do my taxes today. That time of the year again to pay. So if you guys didn't know, us barbers or any independent contractor, we have to pay our own taxes. So it's really irritating. I'm actually gonna end the vlog here because I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything interesting for the rest of the day. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for kicking it with your boy. John B out.